Yo, welcome to another devlog. I'm calling this stage the beta, right? We got pretty much the entire game done. It's 20 levels, 3 bosses. I'm thinking about adding one more. So I've added a couple more levels, like this is one of the new ones. I added a couple of like quality of life things, added some modes, but that's about it. We're in the beta stage of the game right now. Uh, I was thinking about what else do I want to do, right? To like round up the game, and what I'm thinking is I need to get it like some new music. I'm gonna try and hire someone to make a couple of tracks for the game. I want to fix this title screen because right now this is like the placeholder one. Even though I kind of like it, it's simple and I like it. And then I just need to like redo some of the levels, like just add in some more spice to the levels, right? Just fine tune them. Probably add one more. Why am I speaking so weird? My God. Probably add one more boss in the beginning, and that's it. That's pretty much the game done. So now you have modes, right? Got easy mode, so you can relax. You have a bunch of lives. You start with a bunch of hearts and mana. You have the classic, which is like your standard 3 lives, 3 everything in a platformer. And then can't speak. And then you have your hero mode, which is the you die, you buggered. Back to the title screen you go. And as you can tell, I added the escape key on there. The escape key does pause things. Right? You have a pause menu. You can quit the title screen. Right? So you're like, nah, I'd rather go easy mode, right? Or something. Yeah. So we have pause. I added a life counter up on top. You resume. It's the same as the usual. For whatever reason, GDevelop, because GDevelop is random as all heck when it comes to performance. Even on the first level, like level 1, look at that. It's 57 FPS. Why is it struggling to play level 1? I don't know. It's just GDevelop things. Apparently, someone on the forums explained that it's because of the engine GDevelop runs on, which is the V8. So I guess we just have to wait until they come up with like the V12 or something. And it's actually a lot more stable. But for now, we're stuck with the V8 Java engine, whatever. And it's not very good. Like, it does things like this. Like, one day it's amazing, the next day it's like, You're gonna have bad FPS, right? So, you've seen all of this stuff, right? I haven't changed any of this, so I'm just gonna kind of like blast through it. Let's get a heart. Let's get one of those. Oh, nice. Thank you. So the whole game, I timed it more or less, and it's about 20 minutes. If you just blast through it and you don't die, it takes it's about 20 minutes to go from one end to the other. I wasn't exactly speeding through it. And I think I still need to adjust the last boss, because the last boss kicked my ass like 5 times or something. It was more like 10, actually. I don't know. Maybe I just suck at bullet hell stages. But my gosh, that dude kicked my butt. I also made it so that you can enter doors by pressing up. Like, someone was asking for it on the forums. So now when you press up near a door, you go inside the door. I don't know if that actually helps, but it's there. It didn't hurt. Right? That's the thing about feedback, right? If someone asks something really complicated, like I'm gonna like look into it, obviously. But if it doesn't have much of an impact and it's a whole bunch of work, then I might just leave it for like the final stage of doing things or whatever. But when people are like, make it a little bit faster, or like just make it when you press up, you walk through the door. It's like, that's so easy. Yeah, sure. What was the other one? Oh yeah, it was someone asking me to make the keys instead of like D and F to make it A and S, because he was nicer on the hand. I was like, that's so easy to make. Yeah, sure. But if people are like, oh, you know what? I would like to play as other characters. That's a bit of a maybe on the future patch. Even though I don't think it'd be that hard. I'm pretty sure I could add in a new character and it wouldn't take that long. I like to code it in. Not really sure. But one hero is more than enough for now. What else? Ooh, we got one heart. That's not good. No bueno. Let's do one of those. Let's do one of those. And let's heal. Watch me get like a couple of hearts in a row now. Oh god, I don't have any swords. Also, I need to remind myself tomorrow to fix the hitboxes. Because the hitboxes are still atrocious. Nice. Thank you. Yeah, I haven't touched a lot of the hitboxes on these monsters. Because the last time I fixed the hitboxes, then I had to fix something else. And then that broke the hitboxes, so I had to do like 3 times the work. So I was waiting until this stage to fix it. Dun, dun. There you go. I got 9 coins. I really need to hire someone to make some music. I was looking into the guy who made the music for Tiny Rogues. Because I really like the soundtrack of Tiny Rogues. So I might ask him. It's not even that expensive. And it's not exactly cheap, right? But he seems to be really good at it. And I really like the soundtrack of Tiny Rogues. Like, I really do. Like, that's the only reason why I looked them up. And it's just because some of the tracks on there. Doom, 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 doom. I also like this song. But the thing is, I've been listening to this song for so long that at this point I'm just like, ugh, my god. There we go. Oh, now I get a heart. Thank you, game. Doom, doom. Yeah, doom. Let's just get these ones. 33 coins. Could do with a couple more of these. I could just max this out. Let's just go. Let's go. That has a lot more value. Oh yeah, this part. I keep meaning to fix this freaking part of the level. Because I don't like how random it is at the beginning. Like, it takes away the power of choice from the player. Because you're on a moving platform. If something spawns underneath you, that's it. You're done. You're gonna take the hit. And I don't want that. I want the counterplay. So I need to make it like stable platforms instead of making the moving one. Another heart. Sure. Thanks, game. What do we do with 12? Nothing. Great. Let's go. First boss. This boss is going to be atrocious for FPS. Alright, when he starts, like, shooting all the... Oh! I got no mana. I didn't realize. I was like, oh my god, is my game broken? I'm pressing button, nothing's happening. Yeah, it's kind of bad, but I was expecting worse. What about this one? That was fine. Oh no. That wasn't smart. Do I have enough? No, I got 2. Oh, that's the last one. There we go. I still want to, like, put a reward or something like that when you kill the boss. Right. Second area. Oh, what am I doing? I thought it was the... Remember, my eyes don't work, right? I must, like, most of the time, I'm playing from memory. Why did I just... come on. There we go. Yeah, most of the time I'm playing from memory, and I thought that was the area with the letters. Also, my god, this FPS. 22 coins. What do we do with 22? Oh, we got one more sword. That is good for, like, bursting down bosses. I'm really happy with this game. I mean, it's not anything amazing, right? It's a platformer. It's a very basic platformer at that. I mean, it's not so basic because it has an upgrade system. But I don't know. It's still kind of very simple. But the reason I'm happy with it is because I drew everything, right? I made all the assets myself. And that just, I don't know, just gives you a whole different joy. This is the first time I built a game using all of my own assets, right? And it was so freeing. My god, the amount of times when I'm working on other projects where it's like you have something in mind and then it's like you go looking for the right asset, right? On the store or whatever itch. On the internet, you just Google it up and you just cannot find the right asset for the vision you have. And like this, by making my own stuff is like every time I wanted something, it's just like, okay, I'm just gonna wait, have a little imagination. I'm gonna try it out and I'm gonna do my best. And for the most part, it kind of worked. Even when there was something that I wasn't too happy with, it was still nice at the end, right? It still made it work some way, somehow. Okay, let's not die here. Oh lordy, I just realized I only have one heart. No, 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 no. Okay. There's there's a shop. I'm gonna try and just make a break for it. There we go. So I got 27. Nah, don't be an idiot. Just heal up. I don't need swords. Right. I can just get the swords and save the money. I'm gonna ignore that side. Oh, I didn't see that one. It's a good thing I healed up. Oh, there we go. I forgot that this one was shorter. I don't have any swords. Oh, bugger. Okay, now we can go in. Let's get that one before it starts shooting. Cool. Let's see if we can get some of the boomies up here. Oh! Some of you are like, oh my god, that is so easy. What are you doing? Why are you making it look so difficult? Remember, my eyes, very bad. Oh, no, no, no! I forgot to time it. I didn't see the last fireball. Oops. I suck. I know. I'm very bad. But I was enjoying myself. So yeah. We didn't even get to the new area. I'm so bad. But thanks for playing the beta. The whatever it is you want to call it. You have your game modes. Try it out. Have fun. I made easy mode for people like me who are, you know, platformerly challenged. But yeah, that's some of it. Go have fun. I'm gonna go ship this. It's gonna be on GDev Games. And yeah, that's about it. You know, I've just been talking in circles, honestly. It's like this whole devlog was, I made modes and 3 levels or 4 levels, like 4 extra levels and some modes. And that's it. But yeah, getting ready. I'm going to start working on the final product now. And it's going to be cool. You know, game's going to be finished soon. Looking forward to it. Anyways, if you made it all the way here, please consider leaving a like, subscribing, all of that jazz. No, I really appreciate it. And look at that. There's so many of these. And I'm looking forward to seeing this game done. Link's going to be in the description. Have fun. Try it out. Leave the feedback. I would love that. And I'll catch you guys next time. Till then, peace out.